In class, we're going to go over multi-step literal equations. So literal equations that take a little bit longer to do and have to be followed with steps. So one thing I'm going to show you is the directions say solve for a specific variable. So there's an x and a y, but you only solve for the y. Solve for the x. Sorry, in this case, solve for the x. So we're going to minus 1 from both sides, which gives us 15x equals y minus 1. We're not done. We're going to divide both sides by x. 15, sorry. So we get y minus 1 over 15. Or you can write it as y minus 1 is 15. Y over 15 minus 1 over 15. Let's move over to something that's got a little bit different type of question. We have these parentheses. So this is asking you to look. If you're going to solve for x, you have to look. Do you do the f or the 2 first? As we discussed in class, you always start with furthest away or the inverse order of operations. So the opposite order of operations or the farthest away. In this case, the farthest away is going to be the 2. So we're going to solve for x by minusing 2. And by minusing 2, we now have j minus 2 on one side. Keep going. We haven't solved for x yet. We're going to have to, in this case, we're going to have to subtract f. Now we know we're finished.